Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm going to show you easy way you can make your apple sauce with cinnamon. And this is the ingredient you need. You need the apple, sugar, cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, and lemon juice. Please, let's start. Peel all your apple. This apple sauce is very good for children and it's good for those people who want to make apple pie. You can use that one and you can use for so many things, and it's very good, it's very healthy for children. Those people are starting eating. You know, when my son was young, I always prepare this for him. I don't go and buy some from shop. This is homemade, so there is no chemical inside. And I have finished peel all my apples. You remove the seeds out. You see what I'm cutting? Do the same, because it's easy to remove the seeds out. Yeah, you cut it like this. Cut it into pieces. You chop it nicely. And you see how I cut it? Yeah, that you're supposed to make it. And you put into the saucepan you are going to use it, but use the clean one. The one without anything, so I use the clean one. And you massage your lemon the way I'm doing it. Massage like this. You cut it into two. And you squeeze the lemon juice. Lemon juice, you need only 1 tablespoon. And you mix it like this. You mix it nicely and you add your cinnamon to it. This one is cinnamon, so you add half to it. You break it to two, add the half to it, and you mix it. And you set your fire on or your heat on. And you mix it. Don't leave it because the fire is hot, so set the fire to medium high heat, not too high, not too low. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there, please, on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to leave your comment on my comment section. About 2 minutes, you add your sugar and a pinch of salt, and you mix it for 1 minute, just 1 minute. You mix it. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share my Facebook page too, please. And you cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. Please, now you should lower the heat. Don't let it be too high, so lower it. You open and you stir it. You check if it's soft, then it's ready. If it's not soft, cover it again. Please remove it from the heat. It's ready now. So you remove it and you take the cinnamon. You see the one, I break it into two, add half. I'm taking it out. Take it out because you are going to burn it. Please let it be cool small. Blend it until smooth. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there, please. Yeah, because I have more recipes coming. And you see how smooth it looks? Yeah, that's supposed to look. And it's ready to serve. You can store in your fridge for 1 week or 10 days. Thanks for watching Maju Catering Services.